Hi everyone!
Hi!
Welcome to another tutorial. So this time we're gonna play with what fruits we eat and on what day we eat that fruit. It's based on the song from the Singing Walrus called I Eat Fruit. Singing Walrus is an amazing channel, don't hesitate to check them out, they make amazing songs. Basically, we have worked on the weekly calendar, so let's review it one more time. Everyone, we got Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday.
Saturday.
Okay, we've got our weekly calendar and we've got our fruits. Same thing, we have worked on fruits. Fruit.
Fruits.
Ah, yeah, these guys, yeah.
Fruits.
Do you remember?
Banana.
No bananas, sorry.
Apples.
Apples, yes. We have one apple here. Okay. What else do we have? Do you remember? Rachel, do you remember? Cherries! Yes! Cherries! Okay, let's see what
berries.
else. Berries! Yes! Berries!
Oh, grapes.
Grapes!
Yeah.
Grapes are here. We also have mangoes and mangoes!
Mangoes.
Pears!
Pears.
And I don't care.
I don't care.
I don't care.
I don't care.
So, what we'll do is we'll listen to the song and sing it together. Every single day.
Every single day.
I eat fruit.
I eat fruit.
On Monday.
On Monday.
Now, what do you eat on Monday? Remember? On Monday,
On Monday,
I eat
Apples.
apples. Okay. Place the apple on Monday. Monday. Excellent. Okay. On Tuesday?
On Tuesday.
If we don't remember, we'll listen to the song. We'll play it and see if because this is for kindergarten, preschool, let's see if our kids can pick up what they hear and associate it with the different elements we have here. So maybe they'll hear, on Tuesday, I eat pears.
Pears.
Pears? Okay, Emily. Take the pear. Yes, excellent. Place it on the calendar. Yeah, good job. And of course, you want to congratulate your little kids if they've done something right. So high five. Yes, excellent. And you keep doing it. We're not going to show you everything. Don't hesitate to make it short if you think it's a bit too long. Do not hesitate to listen to the song again, to sing it all together, to do it yourself with them while the song is playing, so they have an idea and they try to remember, okay? So many things to do with that, but really such a great song. Bye!